Wrestling fans, check out this Mattel Elite Series 81 Shinsuke Nakamura action figure. Mattel Elite, standing in at almost 7 inches tall, featuring Nakamura in his black outfit. Awesome head scan. Nakamura. Shinsuke. Spin him around, as you can see all the design on the back. An awesome figure. I have him in my eBay store, X2 Man Cave Collectibles, for $15.99. Free first class shipping. We'll double bubble and get him to your house as soon as possible. Seller ID X2 as nice. Do a quick seller ID search to find this figure. Buy it now.